Hello all, welcome back to the part 4 of AI 900 exam questions and answers. Welcome back to our channel. Guys, please do like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos which is helpful. Let's start for this part. Question 61. Ensuring an AI system does not provide a prediction when important fields contain unusual or missing values is dash principle for responsible AI. The options are an inclusiveness, a privacy and security, a reliability and safety, a transparency. The answer is a reliability and safety. Question 62. Ensuring that the numeric variables in training data are on a similar scale is an example of data ingestion, feature engineering, feature selection, model training. The answer is feature selection. Ensuring that the numeric variables in training data are on the same scale is an example of feature selection. Question 63. Assigning classes to images before training a classification model is an example of evaluation, feature engineering, hyperparameter tuning, labeling. The correct answer is labeling. Question 64. You have an Azure machine learning model that predicts product quality. The model has a training data set that contains 50,000 records. A sample of the data is shown in the following table. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Mass is a feature. The statement is true. Quality test is a label. The statement is true. Temperature is a label. The statement is false. Question 65. True or false? You train a regression model by using unlabeled data. The statement is false. The classification technique is used to predict sequential numerical data over time. False. Grouping items by their common characteristics is an example of clustering. The statement is true. Question 66. Which two actions are performed during the data ingestion and data preparation stage of an Azure machine learning process? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Option A. Calculate the accuracy of the model. Option B. Score test data by using the model. Option C. Combine multiple data sets. Option D. Use the model for real-time predictions. Option E. Remove records that have missing values. The answer is option C. Combine multiple data sets. And option E. Remove records that have missing values. Question 67. You need to predict the animal population of an area. Which Azure machine learning type should you use? Option A. Regression. Option B. Clustering. Option C. Classification. The correct answer is option A. Regression. Question 68. Which two languages can you use to write custom code for Azure Machine Learning Designer? Option A. Python. Option B. R. Option C. C+. Option D. Scala. The correct answer is option A. Python and option B. R. Question 69 is it true or false? For a regression model, labels must be numeric. The statement is true. For a clustering model, labels must be used. It's a false. For a classification model, label must be numeric. This is a false. Question 70. Your company wants to build a recycling machine for bottles. The recycling machine must automatically identify bottles of the correct shape and reject all other items. Which type of AI workload should the company use? Options: A. Anomaly detection, B. Conversational AI, C. Computer vision, D. Natural language processing. The correct answer is option C. Computer vision. Question 71. Is it true or false? When creating an object detection model in the custom vision service, you must choose a classification type of either multi-label or multi-class. The statement is false. You can create an object detection model in the custom vision service to find the location of content within an image. The statement is true. When creating an object detection model in the custom vision service, you can select from a set of predefined domains. The statement is true. Question 72. In which two scenarios can you use the form recognizer service? Option A. Extract the invoice number from an invoice. Option B. Translate a form from French to English. Option C. Find image of product in a catalog. Option D. Identify the retailer from a receipt. The correct answers are option A. Extract the invoice number from an invoice, and option D. Identify the retailer from a receipt. Question 73. Counting the number of animals in an area based on a video feed is an example of forecasting, computer vision, conversational AI, anomaly detection. The answer is computer vision. Question 74. You have a database that contains a list of employees and their photos. You are tagging new photos of the employees. For each of the statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The face service can be used to perform facial recognition for employees. The statement is true. The face service will be more accurate if you provide more sample photos of each employee from different angles. The statement is true. If an employee is wearing sunglasses, the face service will always fail to recognize the employee. The statement is false. Question 75. You need to develop a mobile app for employees to scan and store their expenses while traveling. Which type of computer vision should you use? A. Semantic segmentation, B. Image classification, C. Object detection, D. Optical character recognition. Option is D. Optical character recognition. Question 76. Is it true or false? The custom vision service can be used to detect objects in an image. The statement is true. The custom vision service requires that you provide your own data to train the model. Statement is true. The custom vision service can be used to analyze video files. The statement is false. Question 77. You are processing photos of runners in a race. You need to read the numbers on the runners' shirts to identify the runners in the photos. Which type of computer vision should you use? A. Facial recognition, B. Optical character recognition, C. Image classification, D. Object detection. The correct answer is B. Optical character recognition. Question 78. We have to drag and drop. That is, we have to drag from the options provided in the left to the boxes in the right side. The separate images of polar bears and brown bears is an image classification. Determine the location of a bear in a photo is an object detection. Determine which pixels in an image are part of a bear is semantic segmentation. Question 79. You use drones to identify where weeds grow between rows of crops to send an instruction for the removal of the weeds. This is an example of which type of computer vision? Option A, object detection. Option B, optical character recognition. Option C, scene segmentation. The answer is option A, object detection. Question 80. We have to drag and drop. Do two images of a face belong to the same person? Is a verification. Does this person look like other people? It's a similarity. Do all the faces belong together? Is a grouping. And who is this person in this group of a people? Is identification. This is all for this part and hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.